Hello everyone, myself Daksh Yadav from 6th standard in Euro International School Kanina. Today we discuss about user-defined function in Python.
User-defined function are defined by the user by def keyword. Now we make a user-defined function with no argument.
Now we are making a user-defined function with no argument. Firstly we write def keyword, then function name, after that parenthesis, then colon. Then we write print, after that we write hello in inverted commas, then print and welcome to EIS Kanina. Here we make a user-defined function with name welcome. There is gap in the next line before print curly indentation that tells the function declaration. Now we call the function. Then we write function name, after that parenthesis. Then we write again function name, then parenthesis. Then we save our file. After that output will come 2 times hello, welcome to EIS Kanina, hello, welcome to EIS Kanina. Hence we make a user-defined function with no argument. Now we make a user-defined function with one argument. Firstly we write a def keyword, then function name, after that parenthesis. Argument is a value that we passed during function call. Then we write print, after that we write square of given number. Here we use a function name square with argument a. Then we call the function by passing parameter 5. Then we write logic. Now we pass an argument. We write the function name and pass argument. After that we run the program. Output will become square of given number is 25. Then same as for cube. Firstly we write def keyword, then function name, then we write def cube parenthesis and colon. Then we write print, after that cube of given number is a star a star a. And we can also write a star star 2. The 2 stars are called exponent function. Then we write function name, after that parenthesis. Then we pass the value in parenthesis. Now we run the program. output will come square of given number is 25, cube of given number is 125, cube of given number is 25, cube of given number is 512, cube of given number is 64. Thank you, have a nice day.